What is going on, everybody? Ali Saleh back with another video here in Token Talks, and this video is about to be a banger because I'm going to show you 5 altcoins that you absolutely need to have in your arsenal for this bull run in 2024 and 2025. This cycle is going to be a movie, and you do not want to miss out on this. Make sure you do me a favor, you like, subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts about this video, because these 5 altcoins, you're going to need them. And if you don't have them, get your hands on them. So let's run that B-roll and get this video done ASAP. Let's go. All right, Token Talks fam, we are back. And the first thing we're going to do, as always, talk about BTC USD, because BTC USD is what drives the market. And I'm going to be honest with you, the 4-hour time frame has me a little concerned from a from a technical perspective, because this is the type of a pattern that you see usually when things are going to taper off. And I'm just being honest with you guys here. I've seen this a lot. I trade Forex, and this is kind of one of my setups. I'm always looking for something like this because we do have a break of structure here, just a very little bit. And I could see us going down to these levels over here, or maybe even these levels down here. Could be wrong, but I'm just saying, guys, that's a lot of price moving in one direction without a retracement. So don't be afraid if you see BTC pull down to 49.5 or even come all the way down to 43.5, 44 and change-ish. But yeah, the other possibility is we're just setting up liquidity right here, and this is our next launch pad, and we're going to do one of these. Break above these, and then boom, go to 64, 65K, right? So both of these are a possibility. But again, looking at the higher time frames, if I go to the monthly and I reset our chart view, to me, it looks like we are sitting exactly where we need to be. This type of bullish momentum is beautiful. So excited about that stuff. So now let's go ahead and talk about these 5 amazing cryptos, altcoins that will help you. So first and foremost, we're going to start with Bake, okay? So guys, if you don't have Bake, we're going to go ahead and get you to get some Bake. So let's talk a little bit about Bake, what this has to do with the altcoin market, how you guys can benefit from it, and long-term what you could see. So all-time high for Bake was right around $8.30 back in, looks like May 2nd of 2021. Currently, we're sitting at 37 cents. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the official website, and then we're also going to pull up the BNB chain so we could see all the holders. So currently right now there's about 116,000 holders. And as we could see here, if we look at the holders itself, we could come in here and see that these top wallets are locked, which is great, okay? That's what we want to see. So if we go to Bakery Swap's website, obviously the service is not available in my region. I would have to have my VPN on, but essentially what this essentially is, if you're interested in investing in this token, it's a launch pad that launched in September of 2020. Bake is part of the Bakery Swap ecosystem. Liquidity providers are rewarding people with Bake tokens, which can be used to earn a share of Bakery Swap's trading fees and participate in voting as part of Bakery Swap's governance process. This is DeFi bread and butter, guys. Like, DeFi is where I made a lot of money in 2020 and 2021. So Bakery, definitely check it out. Amazing team. Join their communities. Have conversations with their devs. Next is QI, okay? This is a really exciting token. Again, we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the pricing all time. And guys, the reason why I don't have the web page loaded up is because I want you to see how easy it is to just do research on tokens, okay? I literally just Google the name of the token, price, and then CoinMarketCap comes up. I click right on it, and boom, it brings me directly to the coin, or you can search it directly from here. So obviously with this coin, in looks like August of 2021, price was sitting right around 37 cents. Right now it's sitting at $0.015. So really good situation for people to get in right now. Pricing looks good. It's right at literally where the price of the currency started. It's up 0% all time, which is a great place to be. This is on the Avalanche chain. So again, you could come in here, take a look at the holders, about 30,000 holders, and you could see that these wallets are all locked. And yeah, so just again, make sure you do your research before you actually invest. Take a look at the wallets and then pull up the website and see exactly what BenQ is all about. This is a DeFi and Web3 protocol for all. So again, this is the current value of their locked tokens. They have over 100,000 users, 50 integrations, liquid staking, stake AVAX and earn seamlessly, use it with DeFi. Current amount staked right now at the moment. You could stake very easily. You could lend, borrow, and earn with crypto, and you can run your own Avalanche validator or subnet directly on here. Again, crypto staking, airdrops. Again, we talked about these in a previous video, how you can actually go in and make money with crypto without having too much money. Staking, farming, airdrops, all these things are super important. So definitely want to make sure you check this out as well. Huge upside potential with this particular asset. And to be honest with you, I don't see too many people talking about it, which doesn't mean that the sentiment isn't good. It's just the right eyes are on the project. They're just literally waiting to talk about that right now. The next one is Theta Crypto. Obviously, with the Theta network, we're going to go ahead and pull this up right now. You may know about Theta, you may not. It's a bit more popular in terms of what people are talking about. All-time high was back in 2021, right around $13-ish, or maybe even a little, yeah, about $13. Currently sitting at $1.14. Again, we'll pull up their website. We'll take a look at this. So again, a Web3 blockchain infrastructure for video and AI entertainment. This is huge, guys. AI and crypto are going to completely change the world. I have so many friends right now that are making faceless Instagrams, YouTubes with AI models. Like I have a friend of mine right now who's literally built like 10 Instagram pages around AI models, and he's getting like cash apps and payments from these people. So just imagine where AI will be, 3 years from today, even 12 months from today. AI is moving like a freight train. No matter what you do to stop it, you can't. So being able to be part of a network like Theta will allow you to earn T-Fuel by simply sharing your PC, Mac, and Linux box resources. So incredible, incredible opportunity to make money within this space right here. So you're going to want to go ahead and check them out, but they have amazing interoperability. They've done some incredible stuff. You could learn more about the community here as well. Be part of the community. You can earn, stake. You could power up to an elite edge node by staking T-Fuel to earn more T-Fuel, and then you can earn Theta's NFT mining token T-Drop by staking T-Drop. So many different opportunities. They're obviously already listed on Binance, Binance US, so many different reputable exchanges as well. And the holy grail of holy grails, ICP. So Internet Computer. Again, guys, everybody's talking about ICP because DePIN is going to be the future. And again, we talked about DePIN as a decentralized infrastructure for in real life networks like 5G and Wi-Fi capabilities. So this is literally taking the Web3 and DeFi space, putting it together with real world tangible items. And you're going to see multiple Fortune 500, Fortune 100 companies move to DePIN projects because they're the future. And as you can see here, the all-time high at one point was $428. Today, it's sitting at $12.90. So huge opportunity. Again, you could go to their website and you could learn more about Internet Computer and what they do. I've already spoken about this because I do believe in ICP, not Insane Clown Posse, but ICP, Internet Computer. This project is amazing. I love it. And this is going to take AI and Web3 and DeFi to the next level. And last but not least, we have this one right here, Retrieve. And if we go all time, and this is going to be a bonus token for you guys. This was sitting at 36 cents, currently literally sitting at pennies on the dollar. And you have a golden opportunity to invest in here. It's on the Phantom Network. Pull up the wallet, take a look at the holders. Currently 8,371 holders. So to me, huge upside potential with this project right here. And also, again, if you go to their website, you can learn more about this project and you could be part of this and you'll be able to access a new decentralized way to pay, simple, practical, economical, which allows you to act in accordance with universal values of ethics. Guys, paying people internationally is so difficult, so having something like this can help you tremendously. So they have a huge opportunity. You could pull up their pitch deck and read more about this particular project and how it can help you make money in the financial markets and what their overall mission and vision is with ethical finance and beyond. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. None of this is meant to be investing advice, but make sure you do me a favor. You like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, and let's make some magic happen in 2024 and beyond. Take care, stay blessed, and we'll see you on the next one.